Hello, today we will guide you through how to make phone numbers click to call in Google Sheets. To get started, open the sample spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Once the sheet is loaded, take a moment to look at the layout so you can see where your phone number data will go. The goal here is to turn plain phone numbers into clickable links that can be used to place a call more easily, especially on mobile devices or systems that support phone links. Next, create a simple sample table in the sheet. You can set this up with a basic structure, such as one column for names or labels, and another column for phone numbers. Keeping your table organized is helpful because it makes the formula easier to apply and easier to copy down later if you have multiple entries. If you are practicing for the first time, it is a good idea to start with just one or two rows so you can confirm everything works before using it on a larger list. After that, copy the formula shown on the screen. This formula is what creates the click-to-call behavior in Google Sheets by converting the phone number into a clickable telephone link. Be sure to copy it carefully exactly as displayed, since even a small typo in a formula can prevent it from working correctly. Once you paste the formula into the appropriate cell, check that it references the correct phone number cell in your table. If your phone number is in a different row or column than the one shown on screen, you may need to adjust the cell reference so the formula points to the right place. When the formula is entered, follow the on-screen process to apply it. This usually means confirming that the formula produces a clickable result and then using it for the rest of your entries if needed. If the link appears correctly, you should be able to click on the phone number and see it behave like a call link instead of plain text. As you go, make sure the phone number format is consistent. Clean, standardized formatting often helps avoid issues when creating links. If something does not look right, double-check the formula and the reference to cell before moving on. That's all it takes to make phone numbers click to call in Google Sheets. Once you understand the pattern, you can reuse the same approach across contact lists, lead sheets, or any spreadsheet where quick calling access is useful.